In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to cancel booking in trip.com. To cancel a flight booking on trip.com, follow these steps. Go to your list of bookings, locate the booking you wish to cancel, and select it to see cancellation policies, fees, and options. Click Cancel, then select the passengers and flights you wish to cancel. Check refund status in the Refund Notices and Estimated Refund sections. See screenshot below. Trip.com charges a fee to cancel some flights, but permits other flights to be canceled for free, with the ticket eligible for a full refund. The amount of the fee, if any, varies by flight. Trip.com is fairly transparent about fees during the booking process. As long as you take a moment to read the fine print, here's what to know. If the Trip.com flight you purchase is non-refundable and doesn't allow changes, you won't receive a refund when you cancel, but you won't be charged any additional fees. If the flight ticket is fully refundable, Trip.com typically does not charge an additional fee. For partially refundable flight tickets, where the airline charges a fee, Trip.com may or may not charge an additional fee to cancel the booking. You can easily see if there are cancellation fees associated with any flights during the booking process. See below. If you've already booked, you can check fare rules and refund policies in your flight booking itinerary.